It's funny how life works. After years of silence, my siblings and I found ourselves in a cramped garage, brainstorming ideas for a food truck. We laughed, argued, and shared stories we thought were lost. Each recipe we tested brought back memories: our mom's secret chili, dad's famous burgers. It wasn't just about the food, it was about healing. Every late night spent prepping brought us closer, reminding us of the bond we once had. Now, as we serve our first customers, I realize this venture isn't just about business. It's our way of reconnecting, one meal at a time.